Hello everyone, welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. It is Gnome Advent Calendar time. I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and open up day one. Ooh. So there are 24 days in here. So let's go ahead and pop this one open. A little Santa. How interesting. I was thinking it was going to be a gnome. So we definitely have to see what tomorrow brings. But there's a little hole there, and it can be used as a Christmas ornament or to hang it or sit it on the mantle. It has the little feet right there too. I know you all saw that look on my face, right? Disappointment. I did want a gnome. I love seeing Santa and all, but I see gnomes on here. I want a gnome. And I wanted a gnome every day. Anywho, since we're on Santa for day one, tell me in the comments, what would you like for Santa to bring you? Let me know, because I have a lot that I'm wishing for and I'm hoping for. So I hope Santa brings you some wonderful things and all of your wishes and your dreams come true. I hope everyone is doing well during this holiday season. I have a lot of things on my hook and I am super excited to show you all. So you'll have to stay tuned for day two. Thank you, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, one more thing. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe, like, share, so I can get to 25K. Thank you.